crispy chicken, bacon, cheddar biscuit. Let's get it. Get some buttermilk. Pour that thing in that bowl. Uh-huh. Little red rooster action. Sprinkle me. Slap your mama. Sprinkle me. Little coarse ground black pepper. Garlic powder with a little parsley action. Miss Dash original. Sprinkle me. Limpton's onion soup mix, just a little bit. Sprinkle me. Nicely cleaned and cut chicken breasts. We gonna beat on that thing and cut them up. If it don't sound like this, you ain't doing it right. Crispy bacon. Red lobsters. Sprinkle me. You see that thing? Oh, okay. Drop that thing in there like it's hot. Ooh, you see it? Glistening. Butter. Biscuits. Put that sauce on that thing. Pickles. Ooh, look at that chicken. Crispy. Is that bacon? Is that another one? And another one. Little avocado action. You see what we doing here. Q's cooking. Tune in with me. Look at that. That's how we doing it over here. Q's cooking. Tap in with your boy.